Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install MX Linux 23.5 on VirtualBox in Windows environment. First download MX Linux 23.5, that is the latest version, by going to MX Linux official website. Go to mxlinux.org. Click on download. See, at the time of making this video, the current release is MX 23.5 and we have the different desktop options: XFCE, KDE, Fluxbox, etc. Okay, so we can download direct repo or mirrors or by using torrent link. Okay, so if you want to download direct ISO, click on direct repo. See here we have the MX Linux 23.5 64 ISO. Click on download latest version. Wait a moment, it is going to download. See, download started. Go to downloads. See here, its size is 2.2 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. See here, I have already downloaded MX 23.5 ISO file. So cancel it. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox on your machine, then there is a link in the video description. You can go through it and install it. Okay, click on VirtualBox, click on new or machine and select new. Both are same. Click on either of them, then provide the name. I am giving MX Linux 23 VM. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select other. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Select the folder, then select the downloaded ISO image. Click on drop down, select other, then go to downloads directory. See here, I have the MX Linux 23.5 ISO file. Select it, click on open, then select the type as Linux and subtype as Debian 64-bit. Then select the hardware. I am giving 4 gigabytes RAM and 2 CPUs. Then hard disk, I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on finish. If you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, select it, click on settings or machine and settings, or right click and select the settings. All three options are same to edit the settings of the virtual machine. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start to start the installation of MX Linux 23.5 on VirtualBox. Click on it. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is MX Linux 23.5 x64, and hit enter. In brackets, it is the release date. See, if cursor is grayed out, just press right control from your keyboard. Let me maximize it. See, we got the full screen. See, if you want to test, you can close this one. But if you want to install permanently, right click on this installer and execute. Or click on this install MX Linux. Click on it. If you don't want to check the installation media, press escape from your keyboard. Click on next. See here, select the disk. See here, we have only one disk, so click on next. This is installation confirmation. Click on start. See, this is the default computer name or host name. If you want to provide host name, see in the background, installation started. Okay, now provide the host name, MX 23 VM. Name can be anything. Later also you can change this computer name or host name. And work group, default one. I don't have any domains, so keep it example.com or remove it. Then click on next. Select the localized settings. By default it has selected United States American English. If you want to change, you can select the language from this list. Time zone, you can select from this list. Okay, I'm okay with all the settings. Then click on next. Now we have to create or set up the user. So I'm giving user login name as R2 Schools. Then provide the password. Confirm the same. See, if you want to set the password for root account, select the checkbox and provide the password. Auto login, No. Save live desktop. I don't want either of them. So click on next. See, we have set the all properties. See, installation is in progress. This may take time. Once installation completes, we will perform the post installation. Once installation completes, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Select the checkbox. Automatically reboot the system when installation and installer is closed. Okay, keep the checkbox and click on finish. Once we click on finish, it will restart. Click on it. See the message here. Please remove the disk, close the tray and press enter to continue. Okay, so go to VirtualBox Manager. See here, optical drive is already empty. So we have already removed the ISO file. So go to here, hit enter. Double click on it. Now provide the password for this user that we have set. See, now we got the full screen. Also notice, before we were having the installer icon on desktop. Now it is gone. See, close this one, and if you want to show this dialog at startup, we have to select the checkbox. Otherwise, close it. Now open terminal. Click on this applications menu. Then search for terminal. Click on terminal emulator. Now run the ifconfig to verify the IP of the machine. ifconfig. See, we don't have any command. See, command not found. So if you want to run the ifconfig command, you have to install this nettools. Sudo apt install net-tools, or we can run the IP-addr. I will show you after this installation. IP-addr. See, we got the IP address. Okay. Now the next step is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update && sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. See, updation and upgradation is in progress. Video we have type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. See, this may take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install MX Linux 23.5 on VirtualBox. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.